Okay, we're here. It's Friday afternoon. This is the 2008 ERSA Versaflow 4050 dual pot selective soldering machine. I'm going to scroll in here shortly so we can check out all the machine functions. This is your main programming screen right here. Sit back. Here's the entrance area. You can see the conveyor is running, the segmented conveyor. We'll take a look down the aisle here, the entrance area. If you walk down here, here's the first zone with the top side convection, IR preheat. You can see the segmented conveyor running there with the IR preheats firing. First soldering zone. You probably can't tell, but the convection heat is coming out through these blowers here, even with them up in that area. Step over here. Second zone. This machine has 4 top side convection preheats, 2 bottom side IR, 2 soldering zones. Pots are heating up right now as we speak. We'll step back here. We're going to go to the exit end. There's your transformer. It's a 400 volt machine with the transformers included. Here's the exit end. The conveyor is running. We'll walk back here. The back side of the machine, fully under power. Take another shot from the entrance area. Step back here. Thank you very much.